If you are over 60, you may have noticed your nights changing. You might feel tired earlier in the evening, sleep much lighter, or wake up at 3 in the morning feeling restless. When this happens, people often tell you it is simply part of getting older, but that is only partly true. As we age, deep sleep becomes less stable and our circadian clocks shift earlier. This is biology. It is not a personal failure, and poor sleep is not something you have to silently accept. Today, we are going to build a customized, hazard-free sleep routine using ASMR, gentle, predictable sound cues that can help an aging nervous system settle at night. To follow along, you will need 3 things: a device to play audio, one relaxing soundtrack in mind, and a clear bedside table. By setting this up intentionally, we take ASMR from being a random internet video and turn it into a reliable, repeatable downshift for your body. Step 1 is ensuring safety. Gentle sound is a supportive tool, but it should never replace professional medical care. The National Institute on Aging identifies several treatable physical contributors to poor sleep. Look at this checklist. If you experience loud snoring, gasping for air, falling out of bed at night, waking confused, or feeling depressed, please pause here. These symptoms mean you should have a conversation with your healthcare provider to check for a medical sleep disorder. Using a relaxing soundtrack to ignore a physiological problem, like sleep apnea, delays proper treatment. Once you have ruled out or managed these physical barriers, your body is finally ready to relax safely. Step 2 moves us back into the daylight. A successful night of sleep actually begins the moment you wake up. This diagram illustrates a 24-hour clock cycle, showing the transition from bright morning light to a stable evening sleep phase. Notice how getting bright outdoor light early in the day acts as an anchor for this entire cycle. By getting consistent daytime light, you stabilize the internal clock. This directly helps prevent you from feeling too sleepy too early in the evening. Later in the day, we need to reduce stimulation. 2 hours before bed, cut off heavy meals, caffeine and alcohol, and stressful evening news broadcasts. ASMR works best as a gentle nudge for a brain already winding down, rather than fighting an overload of late-day stimulation. Step 3 is organizing the physical bedroom. For older adults, reducing physical hazards around the bed is critical. While many people use earbuds, they can cause problems if you wear hearing aids, experience tinnitus, or need to get up during the night. Tangled headphone cords across your walking path create a serious fall risk. Let's look at this comparison. On the left is a dangerous setup with cords crossing the floor. On the right is our goal, a clear nightstand with a small, cordless speaker placed safely away from where you walk. Keep your phone or tablet on that nightstand. Sleeping with a device in bed or under your pillow creates a severe overheating risk. By keeping the walking path clear and the devices cool, you allow your brain to stop monitoring for hazards and fully surrender to sleep. Step 4 is setting up the audio itself. Choose exactly one predictable, boring sound profile, like steady rain or soft pages turning. Avoid endlessly scrolling through videos. This diagram shows our volume recommendation. Notice how the sliding bar drops to a level much lower than expected. The sound needs to be quiet enough that you maintain awareness of household noises or a smoke alarm. Next, you must turn off the autoplay feature on your app. Leaving it on means a loud advertisement or an aggressive sound could jolt you awake in the middle of the night. Here is how your screen should look. Notice the active sleep timer set for 20 minutes and the autoplay toggle strictly switched to off. Once the sound starts, let the timer run. Even if deep sleep does not arrive immediately, your body still heavily benefits from this period of quiet rest. Setting this precise digital configuration creates a clean, definite end to the routine. It guarantees that when the audio stops, your room remains dark, quiet, and safe for the rest of the night. You have now successfully engineered a low-pressure, hazard-free sleep routine optimized for an older adult. You may hear claims online that ASMR increases longevity. Sound therapy is not a magic life extension tool, but clinical research does confirm that establishing better sleep routines directly supports healthier aging. For the aging nervous system, a predictable, consistent rhythm is one of the kindest forms of sleep support you can offer. Test this new routine tonight. In the comments below, let us know what sound helps you settle, whether it is rain, or soft talking, or brown noise, so we can continue building